A magnitude 7.3 earthquake near Honiara, solid magnitude, reported only 15 minutes ago by the United States Geological Survey, considered one of the key international agencies that monitor seismic activity worldwide. The earthquake occurred at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the epicenter around noon on Tuesday, November 22, 2022, at 1:03 p.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by Geoscience Australia, GeoAu, which listed it as a magnitude 7.0 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, at magnitude 6.6, the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 7.3, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 7.2, and the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 7.1.